All right, good morning, everybody. It is May 21st, Thursday. I didn't think I was going to be able to trade today, but I actually can. But I won't be trading on Friday. So, yeah, so we'll see. Looking at the board, we got a bunch of opportunities, a couple on the super premium list for my students who know what that is. And this account is growing awesome. So, we've slowly grown it back. Now we're finally above the 2,000 marker, only by $6. But you know what? 2,006 bucks is way better than the 1,000 we started with, or 900, and went up to 1,800 and down to 800 and back to 2,000. What a roller coaster! So all because of my mistakes, not because of the strategy. Just me being stupid in the sim, thinking I was in the sim testing hotkeys when I was actually in my real account. Anyway, we'll talk about that. So yeah, so we'll see what happens today. See what we got going on. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so I wasn't. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So we had jumped into this trade right here and got stopped out immediately. So we start the day down 100 bucks, $107. So all good. That'll go on a super premium list. Actually, it's already there, but now we had two in a row. So we'll really be doing awesome with this one. Hopefully tomorrow. No, I won't be able to trade tomorrow, which means it'll probably be great tomorrow. Oh well, that's how it goes. But yeah, we'll see what else shows up on the board. See if we can turn this red day to a green day. All right, we'll be back. All right, so we're able to jump in this trade here. This one is set up for a short algorithm trip to the short side. Gave us our numbers, and by the time I saw it, it already started pulling back up, so I was able to get in at a discount. And we'll see if this plays out to the short side for us and gives us a winner, or if we go two in a row on the loser side. We'll see. Losing's part of the game. You just gotta, you gotta roll with it. You're definitely gonna have losses. You just got to have more wins than losses and have a risk management plan that allows those more wins than losses to profit you money. So far we're doing good in that department. Definitely expecting losses, but hopefully we can turn this green day or red day into a green day. So we'll see what happens. All right, we're coming into our first level. Looks like we just tagged it. So at any point from here, I could exit this trade. I got my stop ready to go though, so once we break through, I'm going to put that stop in. If this candle closes back up here, I may put my stop in just above it. We'll see what's happening here. Low of 92, so we're 1 penny off of my target, but pretty much hit it. Hopefully it'll close really close to it and then boost the next one down through and get a 2 hour out of it. So really close to almost making back my day here. If we can get a 2 hour out of this, we'll be in a green day. That would be awesome. Okay, getting close again. All right, we're through. Looking at the spread over here. So a little bit of a spread. I'm going to give this a second, and I feel like this is going to be a 2 hour trade. So we're going to give it an opportunity to do that. 85. All right, I'm going to cancel this order. Yeah, I'm going to give this some time. All right, we're below. So I'm going to be buying this back. 91 was the deal. This candle's got a little bit of time. All right, so we're buying that back and then putting in our new order at 74.06. Oops. Whoa. 74.06. I might just take this off the table right here, actually. So where are we at? 74.42. 50. Buy. So because I got my target, so anything after that's bonus money. So I put it in for 50. It's a whole dollar number. We'll see if it goes back there. And then I'm going to put it back to 406. And then that should lock me in for at least a green day now, it looks like. All right. 4. Let's see if it backs up and gets us out. Come on, keep going down. Don't go back up. Down. I'd like it to cross that 74.06 level right here so I can put a stop in. Oh, okay, so we should be out 130. Yay, green day. For now, day's not over yet. We still got more trades on the board, so we'll see what happens. We could get another red one in there. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, I wanted to just jump back in here real quick to show you this. So for my students, really, so I felt like it was going to be a 2-to-1. I wanted to hold out for it, just the way the market's going today, and this particular stock. So I was happy to get out with a green day. It's awesome. And then I watched this happen afterwards. I'm like, no, why couldn't I be a part of that? And just remember, you're always going to get out early or you're going to get out late. Always. And it's better to get out early with profit than to turn a green trade into a red trade. As long as you hit your minimum one-to-ones, and then it's all bonus money after that. If you get a little bit of bonus money, great. You get a lot of bit of bonus money, even better. But don't sweat it if a stock runs without you. Don't get FOMO and jump back in. You got to plan your trade and trade your plan. So if not, you're going to get caught. You're gambling if you don't have a plan, and you're probably going to lose all your money. So something to think about. Plan your trade and trade your plan. All right, we'll see if anything shows up here for a buy. All right, so we have this stock here where the algorithm has switched and is telling us to get in long. We have permission. Volume is agreeing with what we want to do. So when this candle closes here, we don't trade it on the candle that everything activates on. We trade it on confirmation, which happens when the candle closes and everything is still as is. Things can change, so we have to wait for confirmation. Like this candle right here went through, everything was looking good, then it didn't confirm. So now we got a second go at it. So we got 30 seconds, and then we'll jump in here. So hopefully this will keep us green. We're on a green day right now. Hopefully this trade will be more green, but I try to trade every opportunity knowing that I will have losses. This particular stock gives me about 80% win rate, so hopefully this will be another winner. We'll find out here in about 15 seconds. I don't really pay attention to candlesticks or chart patterns or support resistance or any of that stuff, just the algorithm. All right, got 6 seconds. 3, 2. Okay. So we're in this stock long, and we'll see what the markup is. Okay, so we're in, looking good. So far we're going up. We got our stop in at 30.03 as the algorithm is telling me to do. And then I got my targets as the algorithm is giving me. And yeah, so we got in right at the right price, 30.48, which is exactly what the algorithm told us to get in. So all good, everything's looking good. Yeah, basically everything I trade is off the algorithm. No support resistance candlesticks, nothing like that. So I just do exactly what it tells me to do. Okay, so I'm going to step out for a little bit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a range order in. So I got my stop in already. Just going to click this over to range. High 30.93. All right, so now I'm going to cancel this order, and then I'll submit this order so that if it comes back to my stop, I'm out. But then if it hits my target, I'll also be out since I'm not going to be here watching it. So click that, and then sell. Double check that it's correct, and cool. So now I can walk away. I don't have to worry about it. And then if it gets to my target, awesome, I'll be out. And if it gets to my stop, then it'll get me out too. All right, I'll be back in a little while. All right, traders, so sweet. Look at that. Winner. So I don't have to hang out and watch my stocks since I know exactly before I even enter the trade, I can kind of see where things are going, and I also can see what my risk is, so I know how many shares I can buy based on my risk reward strategy and all that stuff before I get in. And then once I get in, I can just set it and forget it, or I could try to squeeze more out like I did earlier. So yeah, so this is a sweet day. Too bad that $100 loser wasn't a $100 winner. That would have been even better. So anyway, just slowly growing the account. So that means tomorrow I should be around 2,100, something like that when this account opens. So sweet, sweet. And then with Capital Markets Elite Group, once you get 2,500 in your account, they'll give you 6 times leverage. So you can really grow much faster, but you can also destroy your account a lot faster. But yeah, it'll be nice to cross that threshold. So that's my next goal, 2,500. Let's go. Maybe we can get there by the end of next week.